Introduction. Welcome back to Moto Vision Hub Showrooms, where performance meets passion. Today, we're diving into the beast that dominates motocross tracks worldwide, the 2026 KTM 450 exc-f. Built for riders who crave power, precision, and championship-level performance, this machine is engineered to push limits. Aggressive design and race DNA. The 2026 KTM 450 exc-f carries KTM's signature aggressive styling with a sharper, more aerodynamic body. The lightweight frame is designed for maximum control and stability during high-speed racing. Its bold orange graphics and slim ergonomics not only look stunning but also allow better rider movement on the track. Engine power and performance. At the heart of this beast lies a powerful 450 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, delivering explosive acceleration and top-tier torque. KTM has refined the engine for smoother power delivery while maintaining its raw racing character. The advanced fuel injection system ensures optimal performance in all conditions, making it a top contender in motocross racing. Advanced technology features. The 2026 model is packed with cutting-edge technology. It includes selectable riding modes, traction control, and launch control, giving riders full command over performance. The updated ECU system enhances throttle response and improves overall ride efficiency, especially in competitive environments. Suspension and handling. KTM continues to dominate with its WP-ZAC suspension system. The front forks and rear shock are fully adjustable, providing exceptional handling on rough terrain. Whether you're hitting jumps or cornering at high speed, the bike remains stable and responsive, giving riders total confidence. Braking and safety. High-performance Brembo brakes ensure precise stopping power. The lightweight chassis combined with strong braking allows riders to maintain control even in the most intense racing situations. Safety and performance go hand in hand with this motocross machine. Comfort and rider experience. Despite being a race-focused bike, KTM has ensured rider comfort with improved seat ergonomics and handlebar positioning. The bike feels natural and balanced, reducing fatigue during long rides or races. Conclusion: the ultimate motocross machine.